Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the drawing for week 3 in my FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration, the video scavenger hunt. This is week 3 drawing. So thank you for all of those who provided all your cool answers and comments, which I enjoy reading. So let's get ready to rumble. So first up, we have Tina C. joining for week 3. Miss Stacy, week 3. Thank you, Miss Stacy. Thank you, Tina. Cindy N. All right, Cindy. Let's see what happens here. Roseanne H. Hey, Roseanne. Hope you're well. I hope all of you are well. Tamara C. She got the right answer. Kristen R. R for ready to win, I think. Gail B. Ready. And Melissa. Thanks, Melissa. Thank you all. Melissa M. is ready to win. Beck Ann. She's joining in. And then Jennifer M. So those are all of the people who provided the correct answer for week 3. Now remember, if you didn't answer week 1 and 2, you still can, and 3, even if you're late for the weekly drawing. Go ahead and submit those answers for the grand prize drawing. So, shaking it up, baby. All right, let's see who the winner is. Closing my eyes, which, I mean, I'm just telling you guys that I'm closing my eyes. I am. Oh, okay. We have our winner. So week 3's winner is, drum roll please, Roseanne. Hey, Roseanne. You won week 3. Thanks for the correct answer. Email me and let me know if you want that Joanne card or a Hobby Lobby gift card or a Michael's gift card. Or if you just like $25 PayPal. Either one of those. So remember, if you haven't answered the questions, you still have time. You just won't be included in the weekly drawing for week 1, 2, and 3. Week 4 is coming up tomorrow, so be sure to stay tuned for that last question for the FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.